So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable gaming mode on your Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds. So the first step is to ensure that your Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds are connected with your phone. Once they've been connected with your phone as well as the Soundcore app on your device, then you can go ahead and launch it. Once you've launched the Soundcore app, you then want to scroll until you find gaming mode. And in order for you to enable it, just tap on the toggle once and it will be turned on. Once it's been enabled, you can now start using the gaming mode feature on your Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds. Bear in mind that you may experience some issues whenever it comes to the connection stability. So if you're fine with that, you can just go ahead and leave this feature turned on. However, if you want to turn it off because you no longer need to use gaming mode, then you can just tap on the toggle like that and it will be turned off. You'll notice that when it's enabled, you can no longer customize the sound effect controls. So also keep that in mind whenever you're using this feature. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.